Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Salesforce messaging for in-app and web in Google Sites. The first step is we have to set up messaging for in-app and web. When you create the embedded service deployment for messaging for in-app and web to be hosted in Google site, we have to use sites.google.com in the domain. So when we create an embedded service deployment, it will ask the domain. So use sites.google.com. Once the setup is done, add Google user content.com. Before that, use star dot and then https :/ as the CORS value. We are adding this CORS because when the site is loading and when we try to embed our embedded service code into the Google site, it has multiple iframes. So the main iframe is Google user content.com. So we are adding that URL in the CORS. Next step is go to sites under sites and domain. Find the site that was created for your messaging for in-app and web. So my deployment name is Meow Google site. So it will be ESW_Meow_Google_ site, and it will have some numbers. Here under trusted domains for inline frames, we have to add sites.google.com, star.sites.google.com, star.gstatic.com, star.googleUserContent.com. So we have to add all these domains in the trusted domains URL for inline frames for the site that was created when we set up the messaging for in-app and web. Once this is done, we have to go to the embedded service deployment. We have to click install code snippet, and then we have to get the code snippet from the embedded service deployment. We have to use the embed component here, and in the embed component we have to use HTML body, and then we have to use the code snippet which we got it from the embedded service deployment /body/HTML. Click next, and then you have to publish it. Next, you can test it. This is my site's Google site. So from here you can easily test it. I'm sending it as test. So, as an agent, I'm not available yet. So if I set my status to available messaging, I will be able to get the messaging for messaging session, and then I should be able to converse. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the screenshot and how to set up the messaging for in-app and web blog post for your reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.